Upon first meeting one another at post-lockdown drinks at Gang Gang in early 2021, Kate's first impression of Luke was this pretty quiet guy who was the world's most handsomest man. Meanwhile, Luke was sitting next to Kate and was struck by this person who was just full of life and quickly felt comfortable joining in, being weird and talking nonsense. It came up in conversation that Kate was lacking a microwave, and while having dinner at Luke's new share house later that night, it turned out that Luke had just a spare microwave that he was quick to gift. Kate had a microwave-shaped hole in her life, and Luke had just the microwave to fill it.
I can feel the fire burn in my heart, make it through the twists and turns, out of the darkness, built from broken bones.
I knew Kate before Luke did, just call it weird flex, but I genuinely feel so lucky that my best friend is marrying her, and therefore she's kind of stuck in my life now.
Luke, I cannot imagine someone who matches Kate and complements Kate more perfectly than you. I am just so glad that you're in Kate's lives. You're in all of our lives. And Kate, I am so grateful every day to have you. You are just a gem. You are a gem in this world.
From the day we first met, we had a connection that has always felt like a warm embrace. There was something cozy, something silly, and something just right. Our cheeky banter and ability to talk utter nonsense had us talking all through the night, at all hours. This was a great way to learn about each other and showed me that spending time with you, no matter what we're doing, is always great.
I've been so lucky to know you for your kindness and your patience. The way you insist on seeing the best in everybody, and the cheeky energy you bring to every occasion. The things that define our love and our life together might seem unremarkable, but that's only because you make the ordinary rhythm of everyday life something worth dancing to.
I love that you always have fun, from having a sing or a dance above me while I stretch, or giving the dogs their silly little voices. I appreciate the joy that you bring to me and the experiences I have as a result of being in your company. I also love that you're able to drag me into the silliness with you.
It is so much fun to be a part of your life because I get to learn from you as you weave all of your best qualities into the fabric of every day. It's in the way you manage to get both dogs on the bed for a cuddle without waking me up. It's in how you give your most thoughtful answers to my stupidest questions and a bad score on the Saturday paper quiz. It's in the way you show up with as much love and care for my triumphs as my failures, and the set list that you've heard 20 times before, and the way you make me want to show up like that for you. So Luke, I promise to be there for all of it. I promise to love you proudly and fiercely through our best, worst and most medium moments. I'm so excited to be your wife.
So Kate Lawrence is no more, but you know what? I reckon Kate Collins sounds even better. So always remember to chill out and have some fun.
I'm alive, got air in my lungs and my heart beats fast. It's a beautiful, crazy life.
I'm so excited for what the future holds, and I can't wait to embark on the next steps as we create more memories, more experiences, and we'll never tire of the joy you bring to my life. I love you.
I'm alive, I'm feeling the sun, and I
from the moment Luke was brave enough to let you meet us all on the Gold Coast, Paul, Emily, Nelson and I knew that, you were the one for Luke.
If you both ensure that you continue to exhibit strong loyalty towards the other and trust each other 100%, no matter if you're experiencing good or bad times, you will enjoy a long and harmonious life together.